So Tesla hosted their annual shareholders meeting, and this was one of the best shareholder meetings that I have ever attended from Tesla. Now, if you watched this channel before, you know that I'm a big Tesla fan and a big bull. So this meeting was just music to my ears as I get to hear things as a Tesla fan and got even more bullish as a Tesla investor. I actually had $1.4 million on the line, and I was confident that they will not announce anything that Wall Street will not like. And I will show you what I did towards the end of this video. First, let's take a look at 4 super bullish things that Elon Musk announced that will change Tesla forever going forward, and something that all shareholders should pay attention to very carefully. And for those who are not yet a Tesla investor, this is your chance to think twice before what I call making the biggest mistake of your lifetime by not owning a Tesla stock. My opinion and for entertainment purposes only. Let's begin. So number 1, Elon Musk gave us the number which we will all laugh about in next few years. Tesla will be able to produce about 900,000 cars this year. And if Model S and X were at full capacity, then we would have touched almost 1 million cars this year. Elon Musk also said that Tesla will be able to grow 50% year over year for many years to come. Look at their growth right here on the chart. And what he said next is that Model 3 is the best-selling car in its category, beating BMW 3 Series, and that Model Y will be the best-selling car in the world. I have covered the numbers in my previous video, but here are some quick stats right here as you can see on your screen. So right now, Toyota Corolla is the world's best-selling car in 2019, and Model Y is looking to replace it. So in other words, Tesla will be selling over 1 million Model Ys in just a few years. Currently, Toyota Corolla cost between $20,000 to $25,000 right here as you can see. And here is quick chart of all the car sales in 2019 in the US in that price range right here. So Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, Honda Accord, all of those kind of same between $20,000 to $30,000 price range as you can see. So total addressable market in that price range is close to about $2 million in US alone. We are not counting the sale of Model 2, which they're planning on releasing next, which is going to be a game changer in demand. This is really bullish sign for a car company which is right now producing almost 1 million cars a year to have only one model demand as much as this much. This is really positive, and that to US only. I'm not saying that everybody is going to switch to Tesla, but this is a good addressable market. The second point, which was really bullish for me, was Tesla's goal to reduce cost. Look at this chart right here. So this is what Tesla showed during the presentation. If this does not show that Tesla is one of the best companies to put your money in, then I'm not sure what is. Their average selling price keep getting lower while their gross margin keep getting higher. Look at this range right here and look at their gross margin growing up right here. I feel that every new model that comes out of Tesla in any category is going to set industry standard for auto manufacturing. I literally feel that in the next 5 years, Tesla will be able to master the manufacturing at such a scale that it'll look like those iPhone factories where the top and bottom parts come together with few new chips inside and we are done. This is really mind-blowing on what Tesla has achieved. On top of that, they are going to be your transportation and your utility company. Look at this right here. So they are going to be, it's a whole ecosystem, living completely off the grid. And I feel you will be paying Tesla a monthly subscription for everything. Wouldn't that be nice if I pay Tesla one payment that gives me car, utilities, internet, etc. and etc. And on top of that, now we have a bot from the AI Day. And as you can see, their event was so successful that they're probably working hard at it with all the new talents that they hired from the AI Day right here. So 20 years from now, how about a Tesla home where you get everything you need for one payment? Sign me up, literally. Next, Elon Musk talked about licensing FSD to other auto manufacturers, which was really a big deal. And I feel it's going to open door to another stream of revenue for Tesla. But revenue is not the main motive here. This is so brilliant that this is going to make Tesla's lead in the world forever. The data that they're going to collect and make their system better is just mind-blowing, and we should not even think about any other company even coming close to Tesla. No other words can describe what this company is doing and how well they are doing it. Okay, so with all these amazing things and super bullish announcements, let's take a look at the chart just for a few seconds, and then let's take a look at few trades I have open and a few that I'm looking to open. So right here on your screen, I have a Tesla chart. So I have Bollinger Bands as the study on the chart. Anytime Bollinger Bands have traded in such a tight range right here that you see, there has been a breakout. If you look at the Tesla chart in the past, you will see anytime they have traded so tight, there has been a breakout. And this is what's going on right now. From the last 6 months, Tesla has been trading at a very tight range. Yes, we have seen price movement from 600 to 700 to 800, but they are not big enough for what we call as a breakout. Look at the chart from before. This was a breakout that happened. Tesla was trading really tight all this time right here, and then October we had this huge breakout. Now this was S&P inclusion, stock split. There were many reasons, and then overall stock sentiment or overall stock market sentiment. So this was, of course, there were many reasons combined, but there has always been a case where Tesla has traded really tight in the Bollinger Band range, and then we have a breakout. Now breakout can happen upwards and downwards, but from where the price is right now and the news that we are getting for the whole EV sector, I feel we are going to see a breakout on the upper side for all EV sector, not just for Tesla particularly. Of course, Tesla is going to go higher than the rest, but we are going to see Neos, Xpeng, Li, Lucid, they all will have this EV run towards the end of the year, it's my opinion. And that is why I'm planning the trades I'm planning right now. So let's look at some of my trades. These are all the open trades that I have for Tesla. Now, in my past video, I have discussed that I am really bullish on Tesla, and I feel Tesla will continue to grow at exponential rate for the many years to come. So this is what I'm doing. So last week, not the week before, but the one before that, I sold 10 October 8th, which was yesterday, $700 put, and I got about $9.99 or about $10,000 for selling this put. These put expired yesterday, giving me 100% of the money or $10,000. Then last week, I sold 10 more puts for $750, and I got a little bit of money because Tesla was up that day and when I sold the put, and they also expired worthless, giving me about $500. So basically, I had $700,000 right here for this one and $750,000 for this one on the line, about $1.4 million, that I would buy Tesla if it drops below 750 or if it drops below 700. Now, earnings and also this shareholder day is always very tricky because Tesla can really drop 5 to 7 to 8% on the news if Wall Street didn't like what they announced. So that's why, but I was ready to basically bet that, you know what, I'm going to buy around 2,000 shares of Tesla at this price range. I am ready to buy. I feel like, you know, these are some amazing price range if you look at the long term. Now, if you look at it, that I have 10 November 5th $700 put, so another $700,000 right here, that basically paid me around $25,000, which I'm currently holding, and I plan to hold it for at least few more weeks until we get the earning numbers. And then I have around 10 more puts for November 21, that's another $700 put that I got about $30,000. So these are all the open trades. So these two closed yesterday. So right here, I'm gonna actually mark it over here. These two trades closed yesterday, and these ones I still have it open. And then yesterday I bought two calls right here, two December 21 or December of 2021 $790 call, and I basically paid $60 or $6,000 for each call. And I bought two of those because I know that the way Tesla is trading right now with the earnings coming out and also FSD rolling out more and more, and also I feel that we are going to see a breakout, that we can see a complete run up right here in this price range. As you can see here, $790, which is very close to the money. We can see these gain, I would say, around $100 each or around $10,000, so giving me about 40% upside on this, and then I'll be able to sell it. So this is my plan for these open trades. Then I have a long trade, which is September 2022 $650 put that's open right now, and I got paid about $150 for it right here. This is really cool trade that I played when the Tesla was really down a couple months ago. And then I have these two calls, which I'm down terribly on this, around 43%, as you can see over here, and I'm going to continue hold on to it because this is January 2023, $900, and I feel we are going to see $900 this year, not in January 2023, and then I will make some money on this, or I will actually buy 200 shares at $900 at that time, which I feel is going to be an amazing price. Okay, so now I put 50% of my new money in Tesla, and remaining 50% I invest in different stocks and trades. As one of the best decisions I made in my investing career was to invest in Tesla early and literally just forget about it. I did not look, I did not trade, and did not get bothered with the news for at least 5 years, and then I started to buy more. Only regret that I have is that why I did not buy more during those 5 years. Comment below and tell me, where do you see Tesla price target for 2021 and what is your Tesla price target for 2025? I'll be sharing my Tesla price prediction and why I'm so bullish in this company that I take massive risk every week in my follow-up video along with my simple spreadsheet as I promised. I will link one of my early videos, and I would say this was my most researched videos on Tesla. If you like Tesla, then definitely check it out, as this video talks about Tesla and hidden trillions. And I'm sorry for the audio and video quality. This was one of the first few videos that I shot. I hope I provided some value, and if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up so we can reach out to more Tesla lovers. And if you have not subscribed, then click the subscribe button so you don't miss out future videos. As always, an absolute pleasure to be here. Until next time, you all have a sparkling day.